Okay, so Ramiro, you're gonna try to eat this taco in less than 3 bites, right?
Yes.
Okay, go. Oh shit. One.
Very good.
Keep going. Why are you looking on the side? Heart attack. Okay. Second bite.
Oh.
Two. You are a badass. No. Ramiro is such a fat ass, but he is my friend. My friend is a fat ass. Okay, bye.